Obituaries. What was the profession of Mundardjito? Option A, archaeologist. Option B, psychologist. Option C, agriculturist. Option D, journalist. Answer, archaeologist. Option A. He was an Indonesian archaeologist who was born on 1937. He died due to lung infection. Julian Vichurin, cyclocross racer, belongs to which nationality? Option A, American. Option B, Iranian. Option C, Italian. Option D, Belgian. Answer, Belgian. Option D. She was a Belgian cyclocross racer who was born on 7th May 1990. She died due to brain cancer. Who was the Turkish actor and film director who just passed away? Option A, Shaker. Option B, Kattal Tibet. Option C, Sanchari. Option D, NASCAR. Answer, Kattal Tibet. Option B. He was a Turkish actor and film director who was born on 27th March 1938. Manteb Soedharsono, puppeteer, belongs to which nation? Option A, Italy. Option B, Pakistan. Option C, Indonesia. Option D, Saudi. Answer, Indonesia. Option C. He was an Indonesian puppeteer who was born on 1949. He died due to COVID 19. Asma Nabeel, screenwriter, died due to what cause? Option A, kidney failure. Option B, breast cancer. Option C, heart stroke. Option D, brain tumor. Answer, breast cancer. Option B. She was a Pakistani screenwriter who was born on 1970. She died due to breast cancer.
Current affairs important is first one, World Sports Journalist Day was established by, and the options are option A UNGS, option B AIPS, option C WHO, option D UNICEF, and the answer is option B AIPS. Second one, initially the World Unidentified Flying Object Day was observed on option A July 1, option B June 31, option C July 2, option D June 24, and the answer is option D June 24.
International news. How much does World Bank expands coronavirus vaccine funding? Option A $12 billion, option B $20 billion, option C $16 billion, and option D $15 billion. And the answer is option B $20 billion. National news. What is the name of the subject launched by CBSE and NPCA for class 6 students? Option A economics, option B politics, option C financial literacy, option D accountancy. And the answer is option C financial literacy. Next, which nuclear power plant is newly going to construct units 5 and 6? Option A Kudankulam nuclear power plant, option B Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, option C Kaiga nuclear power plant, and option D none of these. And the answer is option A Kodangulam nuclear power plant. Next, who inaugurates National Horticulture Board Center at Gwalior? Option A Narendra Singh Modi, option B Manmohan Singh, option C Narendra Singh Tomar, option D Ramnath Govind. And the answer is option C Narendra Singh Tomar. Next, which state CM launches YSR Bima scheme allocated with rupees 750 crores for 2021 to 2022? Option A Maharashtra, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C Gujarat, option D Kerala, and the answer is option B Andhra Pradesh. Next, which state CM launches Jan Sahayak Aapka Sahayak app scheme for giving ownership to ULB property holders? Option A Punjab, option B Odisha, option C Assam, option D Haryana, and the answer is option D Haryana.